Hey guys, so quick video on how you can reset a Kidde keylog box. So this is the perfect video that I recommend to watch, that how to decode a realtor push button key box. And you want to actually check which one, when you're gonna have it, which one is like a little bit used, and you can actually feel if you get it from the previous owner, and you can actually feel it can be like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because like people don't really gonna create really that hard to remember key. And you can check this video. I highly recommend it, how to decode realtor push button key box. Check it out, because that's going to reset, because I was looking on so many guides on how we can reset a Kidde, and I just couldn't find anything. So just definitely recommend watching this video, how to decode realtor push button key box. It's going to definitely help you to decoding it, and I believe you can do it.